Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. I just wanted to give you guys an update on what's going on here with Bitcoin. Well, basically, we did come up and test my 33 mark, and then we got rejected, unfortunately. Okay, and now we tested the bottom of I mean, we were like what, $50 off from this bottom here, right? I drew my line. So we were almost there at the 32,300 mark is where it bottomed out. Now, let's see if that holds up. We're going to bring this down now. Let's see if that holds up. We're going to get right on the point, right? And I know I was like what, $5 off of Ethereum too. So, but we'll go to that chart in a second. And guys, everything I say, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion. This is just educational purposes only. So we were a couple dollars off from hitting the bottom. We talked about this area being the buy zone. Okay. Now, guys, this is a little different from most of my videos where I'd say, hey, let's load the boat here and go crazy. The market's not doing good. Inflation reports came out today. It was very bad. Bitcoin's hanging in there. I personally think I don't understand why Bitcoin, this is supposed to be a hedge against inflation. So it's making me nervous that we're dropping when inflation should be good for Bitcoin. Like gold is going up. Okay, people buy gold because of inflation. Well, crypto, people are supposed to buy gold or crypto because of inflation. Now, with that being said, what made me nervous is when coronavirus happened and the stock market crashed. When that happened and Bitcoin went down, because Bitcoin was never supposed to run with the market, it was supposed to be a hedge against the market. When that happened and I saw Bitcoin tank like it did, the fact is, the bottom line is Bitcoin's going to run with the market. The market's going down, Bitcoin's going down, unless we get some good news. That's just the bottom line now at this point, which is kind of scary because we're in crypto to kind of hedge against these things, and it's really right now at this moment is not working. So that makes me nervous. Also, I don't like the monthly charts on Ethereum or Bitcoin. They're not looking good. The weeklies are looking okay though. So it's like a fight right now. It's like, what do you do? The weeklies are looking like they're bottoming out. The monthlies are looking like there's a lot more tank going on. So this is a tough decision. That's why I said we might trade sideways, because the market's so indecisive right now. Okay. With that being said, we definitely don't want to fall behind on our moving averages. All right. And if you guys didn't watch the video I did yesterday, just watch the video on the 50 on the weekly, how we looked at the 50-day moving average. Okay. We don't want to close a weekly under that. So right now, basically, guys, we just don't want to fall under this low again. Okay. I mean, it's bad enough that we're creating a new low on the daily. I mean, that sucks right there. That happened. Because we don't want to keep creating new lows. That's bad. We want to create new highs and lower highs. Okay. But this is where we're at. So yeah, I bought a little bit here. I'm taking chances. I bought a little bit here at 32,700, and I bought a little bit here around 32.80. So I missed the bottom a little bit, but I bought some there, some Bitcoin. This is a risky trade, guys. I'm just letting you know. This is one that I could possibly I could eat my words on. So because we're just not seeing volume. It's just, I don't know. I'm just, the stock market's getting hammered. Things aren't looking good right now. That's all I'm saying. Things are not looking good. But guys, every time things don't look good and we buy those bottoms and the ground's on fire, we always do pretty good, right? Well, Yeah, we've been doing 90% winning percentage, but there is a chance that this one could get us. But this is what we do, though. We buy the bottoms and sell the tops. So I'm looking for positions here, and if I get stopped out and we get back down to this 31 level, then I'll look for a position there again. I'll look for a bounce. Okay. Now, with that being said, we're going to look at Ethereum. Now, Ethereum, you can see here, we barely missed it. I had 1956 and it was 1961. We barely missed the bottom on that. I did get in. I'm only upset. I mean, I got in at 1970, so I didn't get the exact bottom on this either. But this is risky. What we're doing here is risky. I like this candle, and this candle just ruined this candle. Okay, it just ruined it. If this next candle would have opened up green, we'd have been looking good. But like I said, it's reacting to the stock market. So there is a potential that we come back down here and we touch the 1956 before we even go back up. Okay, so that's something that I'm keeping an eye on too. I took a very, very small position in Ethereum. I'll add as I go. Okay, so that's where we're at with Ethereum. Nothing major. I mean, we could draw. Let's see. Could have probably done this on Bitcoin too, but we could draw something up here. Three touch points right here. Maybe 3 touch points there. Is this on the 4 hour? Okay. Yeah, maybe right here. This little channel here. So we'll wait for a breakout to the upside on this. You're probably thinking, well, how'd you get that? I got 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. But yeah, we'll wait for maybe a breakout here. Okay. Now you can see where we got rejected, which isn't good. So the smart thing would probably be, if you're not in this, which I jumped in based on this. Guys, I jumped the gun. This is when sometimes, even a trader of my experience can get excited sometimes, guys. We talked about this getting greedy sometimes. Okay, it happens. I jumped the gun a little bit here. And yeah, so this is where we're at now. Yeah, it could go down here and then go up. So we'll keep an eye on it. All right. So if you're not in it, don't panic. Wait for this to break out before you get in. That'd be my best advice to you guys. All right. I personally thought this candle was going to do something, and then the next candle we were going to break out, and I jumped the gun. So that's on me. Hey, I'm still up on it, but it's not. It doesn't look good. That's all. It doesn't look good. Now we covered Ethereum. We covered Bitcoin. It could go up from here, so I'm happy, but whatever. I'm still up. And I made a video, guys. I don't know if you guys saw it. And I'm not in Doge. And no offense, it's not my thing. I'm in Cardano. Well, yeah, Cardano. I like Matic, even though I'm looking for another position in Matic. I like those. I like Solana. I like some of those other ones. Link, Dot. Those are the ones that I like. But Dogecoin, it's just not my thing. I did buy it a long time ago for, I don't know, fractions of a penny. I made some money off of it. Don't get me wrong. I mean, I had like, I think I had like $400 in it, and I had a couple 100,000 Dogecoins. It wasn't much, but I did make money, so that's good. Now, with that being said, I'll show you guys a quick Dogecoin chart. Because I did chart it yesterday. Now, I'm not a hater of this. You can make money doing off of Doge, especially with Elon Musk here. But we were talking about this channel. We hit our buy zone here. Now, we talked about we don't want to see a 4 hour or even a daily closing under this 1944 or 1940 area. Okay, because that would be devastating. Now, this is my buy zone, and this was my take profit. And I'm not telling you guys to go all out here, but take 10, take 20%. And I'm not a financial advisor. Take whatever you want. Take 50% or go all out. Whatever you guys want to do. Or you can go all out before you get rejected here, whatever you guys do, because you're still going to make, if it gets up to that point where this is now, I mean, that's almost 10%, and then you're looking at the top of this at 14, 15%. So you guys can do it all, anything you want. I would just take some profit is what I'm saying. I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purpose only. But if it was me trading this, I would take some profit, and then I would move my stop to my buy-in price, and I would let it ride and see if I can get to that 25 mark. Okay, but that's Doge. We hit the buy zone. It could fall down. It could drop under this 19 and get down to this 15, which would be very ugly for you guys. So that's just a quick update on that. I'm not going to spend too much time on this video, but this is more about Ethereum and Bitcoin. So this is a tough decision, guys. Are we seeing anything? Let's look at Bitcoin one more time, guys. Let's get an hour on here. I just moved the line by accident. Oh well, I'm just going to delete it. Oh no, what did I do? Oh no. Wait, what did I do? Oh no, I want to exit that. Sorry, I must have hit the wrong button. There we go. All right. Let's see here. Is there anything? We're in the buy zone. We came up, bounced off of it pretty good. We're a couple dollars off. Then we hit. God dang it! That was my first target. That's the greed, guys. The greed sets in where you should have just sold just a little bit. What do we got here? We do have a little nice little wedge here, guys. Now this is a bullish wedge. It should break out pretty soon here. Yeah, we had this and then we had a close, but we came back in it. Let's keep an eye on that. Let's keep an eye on this. This could touch down here and then go. So there is some hope there for Bitcoin on the hourly chart. Actually, look at this. This is from actually this is our old wedge line. Let's look at the 4 hour and see if that even matches up. Yeah, because we never got a 4 hour close underneath this or an open. So yeah, this is legitimate little wedge. I mean, yeah, it could be drawn up different because this is coming off of an old wedge, but it's the same thing, guys. Same concept. Let's see. We could draw it like this. Anything here? No. That's way too wide. I don't know. I mean, either way, no. Either way, it is what it is, guys. So let's just keep this in mind. We could wick down and break this. Yeah, so let's just keep an eye on that. All right, that could be a possibility to jump to the upside. All right. So this could be something where it comes down and boom, goes up, flirts, goes back up. I'm hoping. This is what we're hoping. Okay. Like I said, the weekly is going to be very key. What happens at the end of this week is going to determine, I think, the future of where Bitcoin's going and the future of where crypto is going. So it's very important. So I just wanted to give you guys an update. Things are a little bit shaky right now on every angle. So yeah. So I think that's it, guys. Make sure you guys follow me on YouTube. Make sure you guys hit the bell so you guys get all my notifications. It's Moondog Trading, and I'll put a link in Twitter. I'll put my link in the description of my Twitter account. All right. Sorry, my microphone got tangled up for a second. Yeah, I think that's it, guys. Listen, much love to you guys. Peace out. Just trade safe right now. Be wise. Everything's a little shaky. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Much love to you guys. Peace out.